Good evening everyone, my name is Aramali and I am of class 8. Today I am going to represent math chapter rational numbers. Rational number that form P by Q and P by Q where P is not equals to 0.
Means you want to say that the rational number always written in the form of P by Q.
And
Q is not equal to
Q
0.
is not equals to 0. The P and Q are integers. Example, minus 1 by 4 and 2 by 6. In integer, positive rational number are those in which the numerator and denominator are both of equal sign. This is the negative ones and this is the positive ones. There are three properties of rational number. Today we are going to discuss only one property, which is closure property. Closure property, the rational number which enclose these property are these property. The closure property is applied on addition and multiplication. This was only in case of whole numbers. In integers, this is applied in three of them, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and not in division. Rational number, this is also as same as integers. Here it is applied in addition, subtraction, and multiplication, not in division. For example, like whole number is 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and integers minus 2 plus 3.
क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए रेडी रहना.
2 minus 3 minus 1. This is minus 1. This is an integer. And rational number are 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. In a subtraction, this is like this. 2 minus 3 equals to 1, which not giving the answer like this one. Here, in integer is applied in both the conditions. If we write here 2 minus 3, it is going to give 1. And in rational number, here if we write 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5, in this case we are going to take LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now this is going to construct like this. Here is 3, 3, 15, 5, and 5. That's all for today's question.
That's all. Okay. So, Babhavi or anybody want to ask question to Ayan, Arham about the property?
Rational numbers.
What are the
rational numbers? Are numbers that are in form of P by Q, where the Q, the denominator, is not equals to 0. Otherwise, it will not form a rational number. And both are integers.
So an integer on the number line. Giving example.
He wants to say that you have to show the integers on number line.
Integer on a number line.
Positive or negative? Can you give the examples? You can represent.
Here is minus 2. Positive, this will extend to right. Yeah, but it opposite to 2 is going to be 9.
Okay. So Arham, can you tell me the 2? Write down on the board. 2, 0, 2, 0, comma 0. 1/2, 1/2, 3/2. These all are the rational number or not?
This meant these all are rational numbers.
How? Can you explain it?
Ma'am, if we talk of this one, we have seen that q, the denominator is not equal to 0, but the rational number doesn't says that the numerator cannot be equal to 0. So this is one rational number. As we talk, the rational number has all.
How can you make this in the form of p by q?
P by q. 0 equals to 0 upon 1.
Okay. Means the condition of the rational number is the denominator will not be
Equals to 0.
0 and denominator can be 0.
And numerator can be 0.
Numerator, sorry. Denominator not. Okay. Anybody? Arham, can you tell me the 1/2 and 3/2 is the under the closure property of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division?
Closure property. This is a rational number.
Yeah.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You have to apply on the all 4 operations. Can you tell me the how many types of operations on
There are four mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Okay.
Number 2 plus this is one of addition equals to 4/2. This is enclosed by the closure property in rational number only. 1/2 minus 3/2. This gives 2/2. And if we cut this further, it will become 1. 1.
1 is also the rational number.
Yeah, 1 is also the rational. Now the multiplication. One upon 2 into 3 upon 2, which gives us 3/4.
Okay, this is
This is a
also
rational number.
rational number.
And
Okay.
if we talk of division,
Wait, इसको बाद after do.
it will become 1/2 into 2/3. I think it can be a
ओके सो पहले तो आप लोग क्लैपिंग कर दो भाई आराम के लिए सभी एक साथ मिलकर। तो इन्होंने मैथ को अच्छे से तैयार किया था। प्रॉपर्टी की क्लोजर जो है कि प्रॉपर्टी अच्छे से आपकी रेडी है, ठीक है। इसके बाद मैं चाहूँगी कि नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी जो कम्यूटेटिव है, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी है और क्या एडिटिव इनवर्स है, ये सभी चीज़ें आप रेडी रखो, ठीक है। तो बाकी आपने सही एक्सप्लेनेशन किया, इसको रिवाइज भी करो, जो चीज़ें मिस्टेक्स अगर हो रही है कुछ तो चलो ठीक है। ओके तो इनकी रेटिंग बताओ भाई, क्या दोगे आप लोग? 5 आउट
4.5.
ध्यान से देखो, चलो बताओ कितना दोगे? 4.3। चलो रीजन?
अटक रहा था बीच में।
अच्छा, इस वजह से तुम्हारे 7 मार्क्स उसने पॉइंट कट कर दिए, ठीक है। अटको नहीं बीच में, हाँ मतलब स्टक हो रहे हो। हाँ अयान सेम क्यों भाई? रीजन? व्हाट इज द रीजन टू स्किप द 7 पॉइंट्स?
7 में मैं अगर 5 पॉइंट्स स्किप कर रहा हूं
ओके
अटकने के
आप ओके ओके 5 किस लिए स्किप किया आपने?
क्योंकि अगर आप उसकी बात नहीं सुनते तो आपको समझ
समझ
नहीं
नहीं
आता
आता।
उसने लिखा क्या है या क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे।
हॉच पॉच
हॉच
खिचड़ी बना दिए बिल्कुल, ठीक है। अगर नहीं, मैं भी आपको 4.2 दूंगी क्योंकि स्किप करूंगी, क्योंकि आप जो लिखते जा रहे हो, ठीक है, आप बोल रहे हो तभी हम अगर सुन रहे हैं तभी समझ पाएंगे। अगर बाद में जो बच्चा ध्यान नहीं दिया ना, वो देखेगा कि क्या किया आपने, पता नहीं चलेगा। तो एक सीक्वेंस में लिखो, क्लियर लिखो, ठीक है, नीट एंड क्लीन होना चाहिए। और बिल्कुल अगर हेडिंग दे रहे हो तो कहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो उस तरह से लाइन चेंज कर करके आपको करना है। इक्वल कहाँ लगाना नहीं लगाना, ठीक है। नंबर 1 2 3 नंबरिंग करके कर दो कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन एडिशन किया है, इस तरीके से करो। नोटबुक में ये सब चीजें बहुत मायने रखता है, इससे नंबर कटेंगे आपके मैथ में, समझे। कैलकुलेशन पे अगर नंबर नहीं वो हुआ ना तो ज्यादातर ये आप इस तरह हौच पौच करोगे तो उस पर कट जाएगा नंबर। चलो बाकी सब ऑल द बेस्ट।